Hey Yusuf, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So we'll go over your funnel here real quick. So there's one thing right off the bat I noticed. I've already done a test run. Your survey works fine here. I'll show you that in a minute. But I wanted to show you something here real quick. If you see this desktop only here, right? So you'll see that anywhere you have this where it says desktop only, right there, you're gonna have to reset that. Like the reason why is none of your funnel will show up on mobile. Okay, so if you have all of your pages set to desktop only, you're telling the system to make sure to only display your funnel on desktop only. Okay, so whenever you try to do an ad or anything like that to push this online, where 70 or 80% of traffic is on mobile, you're not going to show up there. Okay, so what you need to do is come to everywhere you see this, any of the elements and sections or rows in any of your funnels, go ahead and go to their settings, select all right, and then you're going to want to hit save. All right, and that's gonna fix your problem there. All right, now let's go ahead and let's give this a test run. So I'm just going to go through placement, supply, this one. I just wanted to take you through this with me. That way you could see that I'm going through the steps in your funnel all the way to the completion, all the way to the confirmation page. All right. All right, so now I know that that works. You have that on video here. I'm just going to go ahead and go through. Go back here because you were saying that the input fields or something were not populating. The image you sent, you were pointing at these 3 steps, but you could see that I just went through all 3 of them. Okay, I just went through a couple steps here, your survey there. All right, here, let's see, let's go through. So I went through that step. Let's see. We go through this step here. We go and pause this. And again, you're going to have to go through here and change these to all. All right, that way you're visible on mobile. Okay. Not sure exactly what this is here. Assuming you have a video here. Okay, so it's just a form. All right, so your form is working. All right, so you can see that works. All right, so your element here. All right, so I hope that helps. Let me know if there's anything else that you need. So if this is not working like you see it working on my side here, then you're going to need to clear your browsing data. Okay, so you're going to need to come up here and then go to more tools, clear browsing data, go through that. Okay, and I'll send you a link on how to do that. All right, that whole process. And then also you're going to have to log out of your ClickFunnels account. All right, and then come back up here, log into ClickFunnels through an incognito window. All right, and then go back to your funnel here and then retest it. All right, and I'll put those instructions here in the next message. All right, and this message I'm going to send you right now.